Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with an incredible device that has been making waves among enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Creality Smart Kit 2.0. This device is not just a Wi-Fi box. It's a game changer for your 3D printing experience, allowing you to manage your prints remotely and effortlessly. The Creality Smart Kit 2.0 comes with everything you need right out of the box. Inside, you'll find the Wi-Fi box itself, an HD camera for real-time monitoring, an 8GB TF card, and of course, all the necessary cables. Setting up the device is a breeze. With its plug-and-play feature, you can get connected in no time, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned 3D printing veterans. Let's talk about what makes this Wi-Fi box stand out. First, it includes a newly added Bluetooth module, which simplifies the configuration process. You can easily pair the Smart Kit 2.0 with all Creality and Ender series 3D printers. Once connected, you can control multiple printers from a single interface, streamlining your workflow significantly. Imagine this. You're at work or even lounging on your couch, and you realize you forgot to start a print. No need to rush home. With the Creality Smart Kit 2.0, you can initiate your print wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet. This innovative solution takes away the hassle of running back and forth between your computer and printer, allowing you to slice and print seamlessly, no matter where you are. Another impressive feature is the built-in HD camera, which offers real-time monitoring of your prints. You can check in on your projects anytime, ensuring everything is progressing smoothly. Plus, you can create stunning time-lapse videos of your prints without complicated setups. This not only showcases your work beautifully but also allows you to troubleshoot potential issues as they arise. And it doesn't stop there. When you dive into the Creality Cloud, you unlock a vibrant community filled with countless 3D printing models to explore. You can share your completed projects, seek help for any printing issues, and connect with fellow enthusiasts who share your passion. The community aspect adds a social element to your printing journey, making it more enjoyable and engaging. In conclusion, the Creality Smart Kit 2.0 truly lives up to its reputation as the best Creality Wi-Fi box on the market. With its user-friendly setup, remote printing capabilities, real-time monitoring, and a supportive community, this device enhances your 3D printing experience like never before. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're as excited about the Creality Smart Kit 2.0 as we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and let us know in the comments what your favorite 3D printing feature is. Until next time, happy printing!